You need to rake the leaves.
Okay, Mom, I will do it.
That's not him.
What's the address?
526 Elwood?
526 Elmwood.
Where did you go?
You wouldn't believe me if I told you.
Try me.
I was kidnapped.
That's a good one.
How far away is 526 Elwood Drive?
10 minutes by foot, 2 minutes by bike.
Who are you? You're the kid that's been stealing my paper.
What? No, I just lived down this...
Oh, are you here for Xander? I haven't seen him in a couple weeks.
Whom do you seek?
Xander.
Meet me at Mitch Park tomorrow at 10 a.m. I'll be sitting on the bench near the big oak.
I'm the one who seeks.
What?
I'm the one who seeks.
Smooth.
Excuse me?
Come on, Charlie.
How do you...
I'm the one that called you, you idiot.
You?
Why are you looking for Xander?
I
How'd
don't
you
know.
connect him to Bitemob?
Look, all I know is some guys came by my house in a van and kidnapped me. But they got the wrong address, so I started looking for this Xander guy, and I met his dad, who then tried to shoot me with a shotgun. Kind of a weird day.
They kidnapped you.
Well, kind of, for like 10 minutes.
This is serious. He's in trouble for real.
I don't know, they're nice enough compared to his dad.
He went dark 2 weeks ago. If there's people looking for him, he's in over his head.
Wait, where are you going? Can I help?
You can't help me.
Yes, I can.
Really? It took me all of 10 minutes to find out your name, social, emails, address. You live with your mom, your dad's in prison. You have no real friends online or in real life, and you buy a lot of Legos. So, yeah, not sure how you can help me. If anything, you're a liability.
Well, when you put it that way. Hello?
Hey, what are you up to?
Just to the park.
Listen, I'm sorry I was so angry last night.
It's fine, Mom. No big deal.
No, it is a big deal. I worry about you, Charlie. You come and go without a word, spend all day in the garage playing with the Legos.
Look, I'm kind of busy right now.
This is an important time in your life, Charlie. The choices you make now will determine the rest of your life. I just want you to have options.
Don't worry about me, Mom. I'm fine. I have to go.
Wait, Charlie.
You followed me here?
I told you I wanted to help you find Xander.
I can't believe you followed me here. Okay, come on, but don't say a word.
I'm busy, Leslie. You'll have to make an appointment.
I'm sorry, Cyrus. It's Xander. He went dark 2 weeks ago. I think he's in danger.
Who's this?
Some goon squad came to toast Xander. They got the wrong goose. This is the goose.
Why is he here? He is a liability.
That's what I said, but he followed me here. But I checked his files. He's vanilla. He just wants to help.
Okay, it's on you.
What do we know about Xander?
I warned him. He chose to associate with the wrong crowd. What do I always say?
Know your code. Bad code equals bad results.
You hear that, kid?
I'm sorry, I don't understand the words you're saying.
Look, I need to know Xander's okay. I want to find him, even if he's gone into hiding or people have already gotten to him. I thought you could reach out.
I have no way to get a hold of him. You'll have to try his dead drop.
Oh, great. You wouldn't happen to know where I could find that, do you?
No, I do not. If Xander went dark, then he probably doesn't want to be found.
Thank you, Cyrus.
Hey, kid. Remember, every step you take from here on out is your choice. You go down this road, you may decide to not come back.
I told you not to say anything.
Your name is Leslie.
I go by Lux.
Where are we going?
To Xander's house.
No, not a good idea. His dad is...
Yeah, I know. We'll just have to be resourceful.
No, absolutely not. He tried to kill me.
Really?
Well, yeah. He was scary.
Ugh. His room's the one around back, right?
Yes, this is a bad idea. So, why are we breaking into his room?
To find the dead drop.
And what is that again?
It's how we're gonna find Xander. And we're in. All right, help me look.
I don't know what to look for.
Look for anything. Anything that might lead us to something. A clue to finding the dead drop?
What are you doing?
Searching his computer for any hints he might have left behind. Shh. Okay, just keep looking.
So, you're in the Bitemob?
I'm a core member.
How old are you?
15.
When did you become a hacker?
I don't identify with that label.
What does that mean?
Hackers are split into two categories, white hatters and black hatters. White hatters, they're harmless hacks, hobbyists, information hounds. Black hatters, they use their skills for destruction or profit.
Which one are we?
We? We're hacktivists.
Sounds pretty cool.
It's not cool. It's important.
So, who's the clock guy?
The clock guy. Cyrus is legend. He hacked into NASA when he was 11.
Wow. That's pretty hardcore.
They banned him from the internet for 30 years. Now he makes watches and gives advice on the side. That guy is an inspiration to kids like me. I wish you could see the codes on his encryption protocols. They're just beautiful.
Sounds awesome. So, why do you think someone tried to kidnap Xander?
I have no idea. Sounds like he got connected to the wrong people.
What's he like?
What?
Xander. I mean, like, is he cool? Do you hang out with him?
Yes, he is cool. But he's also very reckless. He doesn't follow the code. We should check that out.
No, we should not. It's how every horror movie starts.
I'm going to untie you, okay? We're here to help.
Lux, maybe we should not.
Thank you. Thank you. God.
What happened?
Do I know you?
Please, tell us what happened.
Oh, these men came in here. And they were looking for my son. Oh, I think they're the same one who've been stealing my paper.
We're here to help you find your son, okay?
Oh, yeah, good, because I think he might be in trouble.
Okay, we're just gonna go look in the room a little bit more. Is that okay?
Yeah. All right, it's good. I'm gonna get you some water.
No, thank you.
I'll have some, sir. Thank you.
Lux, we have to get out of here. I don't know when that guy's crazy clock is gonna go off.
Yeah, I'm with you on that. Just keep looking. Thank you.
Wait a sec.
What is it?
What's with this? It's on his desktop, too.
I couldn't tell you what that is. He put it up a little while ago, though.
I've seen this before.
Show me where.